What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to make a landing page using ClickFunnels. So right here, this is my ClickFunnels dashboard, and what you're going to do is you're going to hover over here, click on funnels, which will bring you to this page right here. Click on add new. Just click on classic funnel builder. That'll probably be enough for most people. Collect emails. Let's just say landing page simple. Okay, build funnel. Now the cool thing about ClickFunnels, for those of you who don't know, is that it comes with a lot of pre-made templates that you can use and then modify if you want. So let's take a look at some of these templates. Now a landing page is also called an opt-in page, but look at all of these. Like, these all look pretty damn good. So let's take a look here. What about, I don't know, what's an easy one? How about this one? Okay, now I've never actually used this landing page before, so this will be a new experience for me. So if I make a mistake, be gentle. But anyway, the cool thing, like I said, about ClickFunnels is that all of this stuff already comes pre-made, right? So where it says free masterclass series, like let's say you want to tailor this for your own business, you don't have a masterclass series. Let's say instead though, that you're giving away something else for free. Because generally with a landing page, you want to give something to the visitor so that they will give you their contact information so you can remarket to them on a regular basis and eventually turn them into a paying customer and not just a lead. So instead of free masterclass series, what about free 300 page plus secret, or how about this? 300 plus free traffic strategies. Okay, tell your customers the #1 pain point you'll solve here. Okay, so what about drive thousands of unique visitors to your website for free. That looks bad. Let's see, solve the #1 pain point. How about do you have thousands of unique visitors every month? Or wait, no, how about this? Do you like spending thousands on paid traffic? The idea, and this is a little unconventional, that you ask them a question that they'll say no to, so they feel like safe. Because the psychology behind this is that when we say no, we feel comfortable. And I don't like the way this is structured, so let's just, there we go. I like that, like upside down pyramid shape. Describe here the 3 transformational shifts they'll experience as a result of acquiring your product/insights all for free. So let's see here. 1, learn the strategies that the pros use to drive traffic, thousands of unique visitors every month. Number 2, what about learn the strategies that the pros use, or how about this? Outclass your competition with bonus traffic for free. I don't know, these are not great. Probably should spend a little bit more time, like, thinking of something more clever to write. Or you can just copy from other sites. But what about increase your revenue with massive amounts of new customers. All right, and let's just make this a little bit nicer looking. It's not beautiful. Class your competition. All right, good enough. Click here to get yours. That's fine. I'm happy with that. And then you can leave this little thing here. Like, nobody's gonna check. Nobody cares. And then I don't know what this is. Oh, this is desktop only. So I guess you can put something here if you want. Let's delete this maybe. Sure you want to delete this? Yes. Okay, cool. And then we can delete whatever. We can just leave that like that. Okay, so let's see here. And then once we click on get yours, let's set the action, open the pop-up. Let's see, what does that even do? Save, preview. Click here to get yours. Okay, and then it'll have this pop-up. We've saved one just for you. Now where should I send your free gift? All right, so this is pretty cool, right? GDPR and compliant, email address, easy, right? And that's it. Just made your landing page. Okay, and it even, like, when you go to like click out of it, like you saw, it just popped up again, right? Pretty cool stuff, man. So anyway, that's how you guys use ClickFunnels to build a landing page in, what was that, like 10 minutes maybe, not even. If you guys have any questions on using ClickFunnels or how to build landing pages, feel free to ask me in a comment. And yeah, that's it. Peace.